Yo, I'm 𝐂𝐚𝐜𝐭 over here, and today I've got a very special Japanese sedan for you all. Now check it out. Introducing Subaru Impreza 4-door EyeSight, powered by a 2-liter engine producing 154 horsepower, delivered to all-wheel drive terrain. That's right, you heard it, all-wheel drive. That's what makes this car so special. Now have a look at the side profile. Very nice set of original Subaru sport rims. And let's have a look from behind. I think the design for this generation of Impreza is extremely on point. Very beautiful. I like it very much. Now have a look at this. All-wheel drive, that's right. Okay, so as usual we start from the boot. As you can see, the boot space, I would say it's massive. For this size of a car, this is really nice. Okay, let's close this. Okay, and now behind. As you can see, full leather interior in fantastic condition. I really love this stitching. Very nice. And as you can see, a lot of room for a passenger behind. I also really like this carbon fiber pattern on the side door. Very beautiful. Now in front, we have a very nice set of sport pedals and also a fully electric driver's seat. Okay, very cool. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. I really like design for this cabin. Have a look. Once again, leather interior in fantastic condition, and let's start. Leather steering wheel, very sporty, 3-spoke, it's curved, it's very high quality leather. Very nice stitching over here. It's multifunctional, also comes with pedal shifters. Very nice, very traditional speedometer cluster with a digital screen in the middle. We have additional screen here to show you all the safety features, and also the aircon information is there. Very big infotainment screen over here, which also comes with Apple CarPlay as well. Okay, these are your aircon controls. Very beautiful gear selector. Also, I really like this leather boot, electric parking brake. Also, of course, the infotainment comes with a reverse camera, as you can see, very clear, very HD. Alright, we got a couple of cup holders over here, additional storage here. This is very nicely padded, very comfortable for your elbow. Another storage bin over here, and a bottle holder on each door. Alright, of course, comes with keyless start and keyless entry for this car as well. Alright, we'll have another look. Alright guys, as I already told you, this car is very special because it's 4-wheel drive. In terms of the deal, for this particular unit on the COE, we still have 6 years and 1 month left. That means it's a lot of time for you to enjoy this beautiful vehicle. Also, in terms of depreciation, you're only looking at $16,000 for all-wheel drive sedan in this fantastic condition. This is such a steal. So, you all know what to do. Call me. 𝐂𝐴𝐽𝐿 give a good deal.